Alright guys, very quickly I'll just go through Pro Tools Beat Detective. Pro Tools Beat Detective is it's just like quantizing audio files. Basically, that's what you want to do. So I have this electric guitar that was sent to me, and I'll just play it and you hear how it sounds. Now we can see that this is not quantized. I don't know why that is happening. I've gone through this with my electric guitarist. On his side it sounds fine, so but well, it's something we can fix with Beat Detective. So I go to event and I open Beat Detective. Now if you see, I've cut this part and I've cut here. This is the thing. This is some synth lines or riff line, but I don't want that to be affected. So usually if you're doing Beat Detective, it's nice to go chunk by chunk. So this is my selection. The first thing I'll do is I'll come here and I'll capture selection, so it captures that range of your selection. Then I analyze. Now I have increased the sensitivity so it picks a lot of transients. Now my note is 16th note, and then I come to clip selection and I separate and I click clip conform and conform. So now that sounds absolutely on the grid. So and that's that for Beat Detective. So if you're a Pro Tools user, you can try that out. Thank you.